Welcome to the Money Mastery series. I'm going to show you today how to get your Cash App debit card. So all you have to do is click on the debit card icon there, and then you will see this pop up. It says, meet the Cash App card, the customizable, no hidden fee, instant discount Visa debit card. So you'll see here you can save instantly, show off your style, and control your money. So all kinds of different great features there. All you have to do is click on get your free card. So you go through the process, and then it's going to tell you things such as like confirming your mailing address. You can click next to there. It will tell you how soon you want that card shipped. You can do the standard or the expedited shipping. And then you'll see here preparing your card is going to be shipped, delivered, and then you'll be able to activate it as soon as you get that in the mail. So there you go. And you can also start using your debit card. You can actually swipe on that card image there, and then it's going to show you your card number with all your information, and you can add that either to your Apple Pay or use this to make online transactions. So there you go. That's how you get your Cash App debit card. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video for more money mastery content.